Let's first look at how to get yarn. Hold the thread end with your right hand, open your left hand, loop it around the left pinky finger, resting it on all 10 fingers, then circle it around your middle finger. This is the place where it crosses. Press it down with your thumb. Press down at the crossing spot. This is a way to get yarn. Then the pinky and ring fingers naturally bend down. We need to stretch this string straight like this, don't just scatter around like this. Next, take out the crochet hook. For crochet hooks, just hold them in the same posture as holding a pen. Insert the loop onto the middle finger. We took out the yarn. Draw a circle at the very beginning. Draw a circle that can be moved. Just pull a circle that can shrink and enlarge it. Next, wrap the yarn around your pinky finger, resting it on all 10 fingers, then middle finger here, hold down the crossover thread end. Insert the hook. The reduced size is the size of the crochet hook. Next, start crocheting the change stitch, winding the thread out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. With this, the 11 pins are complete. Then we count from the top to the second frame here. Pick the half frame on the left. Just pick a single thread like this and crochet a single crochet. In our first frame, we crochet a single crochet and increase stitch. It means crocheting 2 single crochets. Crochet over this thread, winding the thread out. Alright, now crochet 2 loops onto the hook. Wind the yarn and remove the 2 loops on the crochet hook. This stitch is the single crochet. We took out the marker. Hook at this single crochet position. That's how we took it. Then it was upright like this. Here, the needlewood refers to the short needle. We hook to the first single crochet position. Then we return to the needlewood. Crochet another single crochet. This way, 1 needle stick crochets 2 single crochets. 2 single crochets are 2 non-self-moving needlewood. That is our first injection. Next, we make a stitch of the single crochet. Enough to compete for 8 eyes. The next contest is also about picking a thread. Winding the thread out. Then crochet and yarn. Simply remove these 2 coils. A single short crochet. Here's a little trick. This is the thread that should not be tightly attached to the hook. This isn't very friendly for beginners. We can pull it up a little. Just a little like this is enough, but don't stretch it so much. With such a big hook, when the time comes, this hole will be very large. It doesn't look good. Just this little bit is enough. Alright, let's continue. Two. If you pull it up a little like this is when we wind the thread and bring it out. This will be easier to operate. This is the step. When winding the thread and dragging it out, stick the hook tightly here. It's not easy to pull it out. That's exactly what comes into play. This way, if you loosen it a bit, it's easier to pull it out. 3 single crochets now. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochets are done. Then we still have 1 needlewood left. We are going to be in this needlewood. Crochet 3 single crochets, piercing into this needlewood. Crochet 3 single crochets. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. Alright, 3 single crochets, done. And if there's a small hole here, let's pull it a bit. Tighten it, and the area will shrink. Then let's move to the other side. Weaving is carried out. The first stitch here. We go in, crochet a single crochet. Here, this thread end. We press it directly on top of the crochet hook. Give it a long-term experience. The first stitch is the single crochet. Let's continue. The second is the short crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With that, our first row is complete. All 9 of the competing eyes here are crochet single crochets. After finishing, connect it to the marker here. Connecting the end. Slipping into the mark of the button's eye. Let the cable come out. Crochet the first loop. Pull it out directly from the second coil. Pull tightly to the right. Alright, come back. Then came the second lap. When making the second round, we still need to crochet a standing stitch. A mutation needle is that, as a height. And then next. Second lap, our first stitch. Hook the single crochet and increase the stitch. Just crochet 2 single crochets. The position of the first single crochet, we put a marker on it. Okay, this stitch is inserted again. Crochet a single crochet. Then the second is the battle here. Let's make another short frame. This completes the contest between 2 short frames plus frames. Next, I still hooked 8 short frames. One contest corresponds to a frame of outlines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frames completed. Then the next 3 contests. We all crochet single crochets and increase stitches. Crochet 3 single crochets in 1 stitch. 1, 3. Then we move to the other side. There are currently 9 stitches on this side. For the first 8 stitches, we crochet single crochets. The last stitch is a single crochet and an increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last stitch is a single crochet plus stitch. Continuing what is called making connections. Pull the pull-out needle tight. Then a standing pin is used as the height. Next is the third lap. Third lap, we are. The first stitch is crochet the single crochet. The second stitch is hooked with an added stitch. 2 needles form a set. Repeat the crochet for 2 sets first. The first stitch is crochet the single crochet. Then the second frame. Hook and add frames. Shorten and add frames. The third frame is a short frame. The fourth frame adds frames. Alright, now 2 sets are done. Next, I still hooked 8 short frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, after finishing 8 pieces, the next 6 frames should be. For the 6 frames, we select 3 groups. This is the first frame, a short frame, second frame with additional frames. 2 frames form a set. Then repeat the crochet for 3 sets. The first frame is a short frame. Second frame with additional frames. The third frame is a short frame. The fourth frame is a frame added. The fifth frame is a short frame. The sixth frame adds a frame. Alright, now we've finished crocheting this side. Then he came to the other side. Here, let's crochet 9 single crochets first. Then, for the last stitch, crochet the single crochet and increase stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, here is the last stitch. Hook the single crochet and increase the stitch. After finishing, continue with the final touches on the connections. Pull out the needle and pull it tight. A standing pin serves as the height. Next is the fourth line. The fourth line, continue. The fourth row consists of 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and repeats for 2 sets first. Short needle. First. Then a more stitch. Keep going, 1, 2. 1 extra stitch. 2 sets are completed, then 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next are 2 single crochets, 1 extra stitch. Repeat the crochet 3 sets. 2 single crochets, 1 extra stitch. 2 single crochets, 1 extra stitch, 2 single crochets and 1 increaser. After finishing, here are 10 single crochets. Then the last stitch is hooked stitch. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last stitch is the increase, the single crochet with the increase. After finishing, continue with the final steps. Pull the pull-out needle tight. Then a standing pin. Start by sketching the next line. Let's hook up to here for now. It's 1,234 lines. After completing these 4 lines, there are a total of 40 stitches. Then start from line 5. We start crocheting the single crochet without increasing or decreasing. All stitches are crochet into a single crochet. 5678 are these 4 lines. We all complete the weaving of 1 frame by 1. Then hook to the 8th line. Let's talk about how to count the number of rows. Let's fold this branch in half. Isn't it obvious that folding in half like this makes it clear? It is a 4-line diagram that begins. This shows a little. This light is a bit bright. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4-line diagram starts with 4 lines. Then when you reach the 8th line, after folding in half, there are 8 rows of a raised ridge. We'll count them for you when the time comes. Let's all hook up to line 8 ourselves. Then we do the demonstration of the 9th line. We finished the 8th lap on our side. That's how we suppress it from here. We can count directly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we continue guarding and making connections. Pull out the needle. Tighten. A standing pin. Then came the 9th lap. Lap 9 is ours. 2 single crochets. Then a simple needle. 18 single crochets. A simple needle. 16 single crochets. Let's start by crocheting 2 single crochets. Fasten the marker. Alright, 2 single crochets. Then press the needle. Let's take a look at how it starts. Compiled by the authorities. This is a whole needle screen. It consists of 2 wires, a line outside, a thread inside. Then we pick the first line outside the screen. Next, we chose the second frame. The second line inside the screen. It's like picking out a wire from the outside. Then move on to the next frame. Pick out a wire inside. This is how weaving is done. Alright. The first line outside the screen. Pick a line from the second contest. Then knit with reduced stitches. Next, crochet 18 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 10, 7, 18. Okay, 18 frames complete. Continuing with frame reduction. We picked the first line outside the screen. Pick the second frame. This is the wire inside. Then knit the short frame as usual. Like this. The 2 frames then merge into one. Then we continue. 1, 2. As for the next part, all of them are short frames. There are 16 in total. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, then continue, the guard seat connection. Pull needle, tighten, and standing needle. Alright, this completes the 9th lap. On the 8th round, we have 40 single crochets. Then, in the 9th round, we crochet 2 minus stitches. That is, 40 stitches minus 2. The 9th round has a total of 38 stitches.